This is Jordan Welch, a multi-millionaire who's done a variety of videos from going from $0 all the way to rich. And from watching his videos, I've always asked myself, how exactly does he do this? I put in hours to watching all of his challenge videos, and I discovered one hack that he uses, and to show you guys this actually works, I'm gonna put it to the test. The good thing about this method is that it's incredibly easy. But first, I gotta clean this guitar. So now that the guitar itself is pretty clean, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take some quality pictures of the guitar, and I'm gonna post it on OfferUp for around $15 and see if I can get any buyers. So I just posted the guitar on OfferUp right here, and while I'm waiting for responses and buyers, I wanted to actually let you guys know and tell you guys why this method works so well and what exactly the method is. But I'm not going to be the one explaining it, I'm actually going to leave this to Jordan himself.
And hopefully we can get this thing sold. The truth is, everybody has something around their house that they can sell, and for me, it's this one. I just listed the PS4, but in the meantime, let me explain my plans for this challenge. My goal after selling this is to use the money to buy more items and flip my way up to $250. Once I have $250.
So basically, as Jordan said, you're basically flipping items. So you're taking, again, like he said, everyone has items that they either don't want or they just don't use. They can sell it for profit, and then you can just use that to make more and more money, more and more profit. For example, if I sell this guitar for maybe 15 bucks, for example, I can use those 15 bucks from this guitar or 20 bucks. I can buy a pair of broken up Nikes, fix them up, maybe add a shoelace or something like that, sell the pair of Nikes for maybe $30, $25, and then just keep going from there, adding more and more. If you do this method enough, you know, if you just go higher and higher and higher, you can make up to $500 a week if you grind hard enough. Not only is this method extremely easy, again, it's very profitable, it's also very fun because you can just pick maybe different niches or different items that you want to sell. For example, you can sell shoes, you can sell watches, you can sell a lot of different items that just add up more and more for profit. With all this in consideration, here are a few steps on how to make reselling more profitable and also just fun and easier. So the first thing I recommend is to just consider what's currently in demand. For example, during the winter, if you were to post, you know, a lot of sweaters, a lot of knitwear, a lot of that would sell relatively quickly. But if you were to list, you know, an OfferUp or something like that, knitwear or a lot of warmer clothes during the summertime when it's just really hot, a lot of that most likely wouldn't sell too well. I just think it's really important to see what's in demand, what's currently trending. For example, during the holidays, selling a lot of Christmas, Thanksgiving, you know, Halloween items even, a lot of these items would sell very quickly compared to, you know, selling them in May or January. The second thing that I recommend, which I think just gets overlooked a lot, is just taking better quality, you know, more professional pictures. For example, what are you more likely to buy or even click on? This item right here, or this one? I'm guessing it's gonna be this one because it just looks a lot cleaner, it looks a lot more professional, and overall it just looks something actually worth whatever the price is. The price of an item leads me to my third tip, which is to actually price your items a little bit higher than you might think. For example, if I'm selling a digital piano and I want to sell it for example 150 bucks, I might list it for maybe 180, even 200 sometimes, and whoever the buyer is, I'll actually sell it to them for maybe 150, 160, and I'll actually say something like, this item is usually around $180 to $200, but I'll give you a discount and sell it to you for $150. This will make it seem more like a deal and you'll actually get more sales this way. Alright, so enough talking. I will see you guys when I get a buyer or response for the guitar. So you guys, it's been some time later, and as you can see, I finally found someone who's willing to buy the guitar, and I'm not really dressed right now, so I'm gonna go get dressed, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Sorry, I got the camera rolling,
that's
but...
fine, that's fine. Here, it's actually for him. Okay.
Hi, how you doing?
Good, thank you.
So what do you plan on doing with it?
Learning how to play the guitar.
Oh, nice. Yeah, it has like, it's tuned really well, actually. Like, surprisingly well. Of course. Okay, well, thank you. Have a safe drive back. Thank you. You guys, we got our first sale. And just like that, you guys, we are $15 richer. And again, all I had to do was just find something in my garage that I don't really use, you know, that I can just clean up, fix up, that'll be worth, you know, more money after I clean it up. For example, in this case, it was the guitar. I cleaned it up, you know, I made sure everything was working. I posted it, I took good quality pictures, I listed it with a good description, and then just like that, most of the time it was just a lot of waiting. But in terms of the work, I really didn't have to do that much work. And I feel like, you know, if you put enough effort, you know, enough time into this, you can sell maybe 5 to 10 things per week. You can make some pretty good money. So you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope this video was helpful for all of you guys. And as always, thank you for watching.